What up guys, your boy BG here. In today's video, I'm going to go over some quick finds. First one up is this very cool Matchbox 1986 Ford F-150. It's got some nice detail on the front. Light beige interior. No detail on the back, unfortunately. Chrome base and black chrome mold wheels. So there's that one. Next one up is this cool Porsche 911 Targa 4. This one comes in a dark blue metallic. Love the wheel choice. This one has light glass all around. It's got the cool panoramic view, and it's got some cool details on the back. Take a look at this, guys. I'm telling you guys, Matchbox is putting Hot Wheels to shame. They really are. If you guys aren't finding any Hot Wheels out there, I highly recommend you guys start picking these up. And this particular model, by the way, guys, is new for 2024. Take a look at this. It's got some more detail. You can see the headlights, the Porsche badge. Very cool. Black base, black chrome mold wheels, and it's got some very nice looking wheels. I really think it suits the car well. Next one up is this cool Porsche 918 Spyder. We now have this in a lime green. This one has light tinted glass all around. Take a look at the tail lights. It's got the diffuser in gray back here. Of course, gray base, black chrome mold wheels. And you can see it's got some very nice detail on the front. The headlights, very cool. Next one up, we have this very nice Mercedes-AMG SL63. It comes in a dark gray metallic. I love the wheel choice on this one. I think that the chrome trim around the wheels gives it a nice touch. Coming onto the back, you can see how nicely done it is. Take a look at the taillights. You can see the Mercedes-Benz Tampa badge right between the taillights there. And on the plate, it says AMG. Black base, chrome mold wheels, and on the front, we have even more detail. It's got the big Mercedes-Benz badge right in the center of the grille, and it's got the headlight detail as well. So very cool. Next one up, we have the McLaren 720S Spyder. This one comes in a nice gray metallic. It's got the H5s in black. And take a look at all this detail, guys. Look how nicely done this is. So black interior, black base, chrome mold wheels, and let's take a look at the front. As you can see, it also has some nice details on the headlights. You can see the diffuser down here. Very nice piece. Next one up is this very nice Target exclusive Mazda MX-5 Miata. Comes in a very nice red color. I love the white stripes on the sides. Up here, you can kind of see that it cuts off just a little bit between the fender and the door. That's cool. Let's come on to the front here. It's got some very nice detail. Check that out, guys. You can see the intercooler. You can barely see the Mazda Tampa badge just above the intercooler and the lip of the hood. So a very nice piece. Glad I found it. This is going to be hard to find, needless to say. Alright guys, so now let's move on to some Hot Wheels. So the first one is this very cool 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. This is from the HW Hot Truck series. And of course it's a recolor. Now we have this in blue. It's got the HKS livery on the door, and right below that it says Ford Performance. Dark glass all around. It appears to have a black interior, and it looks like 80% of the bed matches the interior. Base as well, chrome mold wheels. Wheel choice is very nice. I like the chrome trim around it. It's very nice. And on the front, unfortunately, it doesn't have much detail. And same goes for the back. Not much detail, but it is what it is. It's still a very cool piece. Next one up, we have this very nice 1968 Dodge Dart. This is from the Muscle Mania series. It comes in a beautiful white color. It's got the original Ram Chargers livery. It also has the Goodyear sponsor logo here, Hot Wheels tempo there. It's got the cool H5s in chrome, Dodge logo in gold. I love this awesome red stripe on the side. And we got some more on top here. We got some on the roof, some on the trunk. And we have two small thick red stripes on the hood. And on the front of the hood, it says Mopar. Unfortunately, no detail on the front with the exception of the grille. Medium tint glass all around. No detail on the back. And chrome base. So there is that. Next one up, we have this very nice 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. This is from the HW Reverse Rake series. This one has the Mattel collector livery on it. Very nice. It's outlined in gold. I like the fact that the gold trim around the wheels matches the outline of this huge tampo right here. Very nice. Chrome interior, black base, exposed engine. No details on the front, unfortunately, with the exception of the grille. And on the top, you can see it's got the huge Hot Wheels tempo. Clear glass all around. No details on the back, unfortunately. Very nice piece. And last of the Hot Wheels mainline finds is this cool Audi 90 Quattro. This is from the HW Turbo series. Sadly, it's not the Super, but as you can see, it's very nicely done. It comes in this beautiful blue. It's got the Audi Sport livery on it. It's got the white aero disc wheels. Looks like it has a dark gray interior, light tinted glass all around. And we have some nice details on the front. Take a look at this. You can see the headlight detail, the Audi badge, and it's got the number 24 on the hood. This one has the long windshield wiper. It's molded into the glass. Very nice. And on the back, unfortunately, no details. Black base and of course black chrome mold wheels. So very nice piece. Again, guys, it's not the Super, but even then, it's a very nice piece. So if you find it, do not pass on it. All right, guys, so now let's move on to some majorettes. First one being VWT1. This one has the cool majorette tampo here. Love the red and white color scheme. Love the wheel choice. Majorette tampo since 1964. And then it's got a little statement here. It says, "My favorite miniature car." That's their statement, not mine. I do like them, but it's not my favorite diecast. So on the front, it's got some very cool details here. You can see it's got the lensed headlights. It's got the VW badge in red, and it's got the turn signals. It's kind of hard to see because it's got the blister on the outside and it's got the blister on the inside as well. So very nice. It's got a gray base, and it looks like the little tailgate opens up. So pretty cool. So there's this one, guys. I hope you guys like it. All right, guys, next one up is this very cool rally car. This is the Ford Fiesta WRC. Take a look at this, guys. Love the wheel choice. I love all the sponsor logos and everything. Just everything about this car is awesome. Now, I believe this is the third installment. So let me show you this one. So this is one of the first ones that came out, guys. I do have the second one. I just don't have it here. I do have it stored somewhere. I can't find it. Sorry, I can't show it to you. But yeah, these are pretty cool. So here's that one. And now I have this one in the collection, which I'm very excited about. All right, guys, now let's move on to some Hot Wheels Premium. This is from the Gold Labeled series. So the first one up, we have this cool Toyota Soarer. Comes in a very nice candy apple red. I love the 6-spoke wheels on it. I love the chrome trim around the wheels. And it has the Falcon Tampo logo here. On the front, it has a matching Falcon Tampo logo right between the headlights. And you can see the intercooler, light windows all around, black interior. Now let's move on to the back. Take a look at this, guys. You can barely see the Toyota badge on the deck lid, and of course it has the detailed tail lights and turn signals, black base, and of course real rider wheels. I also found this Nissan Silvia S15. Take a look at this, guys. This one has the RAD3 tampo right here. Very cool piece. I love the color scheme. Love the 6 spokes in chrome. Take a look at the front. Got some nice details. Very cool. Light tinted glass all around. Moving on to the back, you can see the turn signals, tail lights. It's got the Nissan Silvia badge right between the tail lights. It's got a dark gray base and of course real rider wheels. So good score on this, absolutely. All right, guys, next one up is a car that many of you may or may not like. It all depends on when you guys grew up. But for me, this car is pretty nostalgic because I grew up in the 80s. So I had to pick this one up. This is the dairy delivery truck. Of course, it's got the MTV livery on it with the Moon Man and everything. Comes in a very nice black color. And up here, it has some bubbles. I don't know if they're craters or bubbles. I don't know what that is, guys. But anyways, I dig it. It's got some pretty cool details on the front. You can see it's got the headlight detail, turn signals, the grille. I don't know why they used yellow glass. It doesn't look bad, but it is what it is. The wheels are not bad. I mean, it's not something I would have put on this one. And coming onto the back, it's got some more matching tampos on the back here. And of course, it's got the yellow glass on the double doors back there. All right, guys, last but not least, you know, Big A leaves the best for last. Boom. I was lucky to find the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. This one has the Gran Turismo livery. It comes in a beautiful white color. I love the 6-spoke wheels in black with a chrome trim. Don't quote me on this, guys, but I believe that this game is exclusive to the Sony PlayStation. That's why their logo or their tampo is on the door here. I'm not too sure what the number 23 is. I believe this is the most recent release of this game. Again, I'm not 100% sure. I love the red pencil stripe along the bottom here. And let's take a look at the front. It's got the lensed headlights. It's got the Nissan badge. And it's got the matching number 23 tampo towards the back of the hood. It's got the Nismo banner right above the windshield. It's got this cool red pencil stripe on the hood and on the roof. Light tinted glass all around. It's got the large Nissan banner on top of the wing here. Let's take a look at the back. Take a look at this, man. This car is beautiful. Very nicely done, man. Good job, Mattel. Take a look at the taillights. It says Nismo right between the taillights. Very cool piece, man. Very, very happy I found it. Black metal base and of course real rider wheels. So good score with that one. All right, guys, last but not least, boom. Got the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34. This one has the Gran Turismo 7 livery on it. It's got the 6 spokes with gray trim. Looks like it has some sponsor logos down here. Black interior. Let's take a look at the front here. Take a look at this, guys. This car is very nicely done. By far, this is one of the best releases Mattel has had in quite some time. This is just my opinion. Take a look at the details on the front. Very cool. It's got the Gran Turismo 7 tampo logos, and it says Nissan on the front of the hood. Medium tint windows. And it's got the Gran Turismo banner on the back of the window. And then on the wing here, it's got the Nismo banner on top of the wing with a black stripe right above it. Very nice. Take a look at the back, guys. Again, very nice job, Mattel. You can see it's got the turn signal details, taillight details. It's got the Nissan badge. Very, very nice piece, man. Black base and of course, real rider wheels. So that is it, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. Of course, I know that most of you are going to vote for these two. But hey guys, there's different strokes for different folks. Let me know in the comments which car of the ones I showed is your favorite. Thank you for stopping by. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.